Okay, so next workout natin, ma'am, is battle rope na tayo. Ayan, so naka-set up na yung rope natin. So side to side sweep yung gagawin natin, or side to side. So whip natin siya from here to here. Okay, so oblique workout and then cardio. Gagawin natin siya for 15 seconds, and then second week, adjust na tayo ng 20, tas 25, tapos hanggang makapag 30 seconds na natin siyang tuloy-tuloy na gagawin. So dito, kailangan natin na very intense. And then yung pinakamaingay. And then dito, ganito yung gusto nating form. So fit. Okay, so fit, hip width apart or a bit wider. That's good. Tapos slight bend sa knees, abs brace. So hindi gumagalaw masyado yung hips natin. And then flat yung back. So from here, yan. Kailangan, for this one, medyo close tayo sa anchor point natin. Nakasag. Okay? May sag, hindi siya nakataas. So from here, hawak. Kamay natin, overhand grip. Yan, parallel. Tapos, sweep, sweep, kabila. Okay? So, yan. So, pag ganun, side, side. Okay? Hindi tayo magto-twist kung hindi lift, and then lift, and then lift. So, pakita natin. So, from here po, meron siyang sag. Okay, paa. Tapos, yun. Kailangan yung wave niya aabot hanggang dulo. Okay, so, side, 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 side. Medyo maingay lang po. Okay. Tapos, kailangan yung rope is yung kamay nasa labas ng katawan. Side, side. As fast as you can. Okay. Hindi tayo nagsuswing. Keep bend yung elbow, shoulders back, abs brace. Side, 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 side. So working your obliques, arms natin, upper body, and then cardio. So right after this, quick rest, mga 20 seconds na rest, tapos susunod na exercise tayo, yung superset nito. Alright?